Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to reply to streaks on Snapchat. So let's start. First open your Snapchat app. Now go to the chat section from bottom of the screen and select the conversation you want to reply to. Now tap on the camera icon on the left hand side and click a picture. Now tap send to from bottom right corner. And that's how you reply to a streak. Now if you want to start a streak, click a picture and post it to your story or send it to the friends you want to streak. And tap on the arrow icon on bottom right corner. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.